Well, our next cartoon could use a lesson about being nice to birds as well. It's a 1949 color Rhapsody cartoon from Columbia Pictures called Cuckoo Bird Dog.
Let me see. You put the right foot out, and your left and back of the right.
Hey, meathead. What are you trying to prove?
I'm a bite dog, a pointer, that's what. I'm practicing.
You a bite dog? A pointer? Who are you trying to kid?
Well, now I am too. I hunt birds and rabbits and stuff like that there. Here, look at me point.
You a bite dog? I'm a bite. Bet you couldn't hunt me.
Well, no, I dare say I could.
Okay, wise guy. Okay, wise guy. Count up to 10 and I'll go hide.
8, 14, 3, 40, 12, 7, 2, 9, 6, 20, 10. Here I come, ready or not.
Okay, so you found me.
I told you I could do it. See, I could do it. I'm a pointer and I could do it.
All right. Try it again.
7, 3, 6, 9, 12, 4, 10. Here I come.
Coming up, mystery treats from 1949.
We're